Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Holland. I'm the editorial data lead at Fabric. We were till recently called Meta, but we rapidly rebranded last December for obvious reasons. If I do refer to Meta at all in this pitch, I'm talking about us, not the other guys. So I'm going to talk about localization and our proposal, which is a bit of a mouthful, unified cloud architecture for content localization. Localization is increasingly important as everyone rolls out platforms to a much wider global audience. But actually the way we manage the localization process at the moment, it can leave a lot to be desired. It's quite messy. There's a lot of unconnected systems and workflows. A lot of different people working in multiple teams, different time zones, locations, languages, and a lot of the work is still done using emails and spreadsheets. And this is this kind of an inefficient ecosystem. It can lead to task duplication, loss and late deliveries, and just generally drive up costs. So what this means is it's really a situation that's just ripe for a cloud-based automated solution. We've already been working with Warner Media on the localization process, and they are our champions lined up anyway for this pitch if it goes ahead. So this is our vision. What we want to do is link together a group of companies from across the localization supply chain. So it will inherently involve a lot of cooperation between different companies, and we want to create a cloud-native process that will transform user experience, that will crucially give everyone real-time status reporting so we can remove the bottleneck that often holds things up, and you can actually see where your media, your metadata, your artwork is in the process of being localized. These are some of the companies we have already spoken to. SDI doing content localizations, Warner Media is our champion, IDA for the universal unique identifier, RightsLine for rights and acquisitions management, and Mediagenics doing linear and nonlinear distribution. Using IDA will give us a single source of truth, and that gives you transparent processes and sort of audit trail that's visible throughout the whole process. And this is really what success would look like. What we're looking for is, so localizations take time. So what we want is to trigger localization orders at the point a title is acquired. That'll give you the most amount of time in which to operate if you have sort of rapid deadlines pending. So as soon as a title is acquired, that'll send us notifications down into Fabric, which should be the sort of central portal. Titles will be matched with IDA to prevent duplication. Titles will be enriched with some automated enrichment processes and propagated. And then localizations can be ordered through the platform, something we've already built with Warner Media, but there's certainly things we can add and expand to this. And you can order really specific localizations, languages, scripts, deadlines, etc. Send the source content out to your localization partners, and we will we have MAM integrations that will create a placeholder in the MAM so that while the content is being localized, it can be delivered back and slot seamlessly into the MAM with a clear audit trail. And then at this point, it's ready for content scheduling. Crucially, what this sort of entire process will give you is visibility, so you can, it's basically what everything is lacking at the moment. There's a bit of a bottleneck, and yeah, I commend it to the house. So if anyone's interested in getting involved or talking to us, we'll be down here on table number 9. Thanks. See you later.